Hey drone enthusiasts! Imagine capturing epic shots of the Rockies without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best drone cameras of this year that deliver jaw-dropping 4K footage and insane flight times. Stick around to find your perfect pick after watching the video. Be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. DJI Drone Camera. The DJI drone camera is a compact, high-performance aerial camera designed for creators who want smooth, cinematic footage without needing complicated gear. It's perfect for travelers, vloggers, real estate shooters, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants stunning aerial views with minimal effort. You use it because it delivers pro-level stability, sharp image quality, and an easy flying experience that feels natural even for beginners. The design is sleek, lightweight, and truly portable. It folds small enough to fit in a backpack, making it ideal for trips, office projects, or quick shoots around your home. Build quality feels strong and reliable, and the battery performance supports extended flight time, so you can capture more without constant recharging. The controls are smooth, the app connectivity is stable, and real-time monitoring makes filming simple and intuitive. Key features include a high-resolution camera, excellent stabilization, smart tracking modes, obstacle sensing, and impressive low-light performance. The results are crisp videos, detailed photos, and a stable flight experience, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're filming landscapes, documenting events, creating content for clients, or capturing fun moments on vacation, it consistently delivers. Pros include excellent image clarity, great stability, intuitive controls, and easy portability. Some small inconveniences: you'll need open space to fly safely, the learning curve can be slightly tricky for absolute beginners, and windy weather may limit performance. If you want smooth, cinematic content without the hassle, this DJI drone camera is a solid choice for all-around use. See the description for more details. Number 2. Holystone Drone Camera. The Holystone drone camera is one of the most beginner-friendly options out there. It's designed for hobbyists, travelers, content creators, and anyone who wants smooth aerial footage without the learning curve. Right out of the box, the Holystone drone feels compact, lightweight, and well-built. Its foldable design makes it travel-ready, whether you're headed to the park, a weekend trip, or shooting at home. Usability is simple, the controls are responsive, the app interface is clean, and the overall handling feels stable even for new pilots. Key performance features include its high-quality camera with crisp video capture, steady flight performance, and helpful functions like GPS positioning, auto-return, altitude hold, and intelligent flight modes. Battery life is solid for everyday filming, giving enough time for smooth shots without rushing. In real-world use, you get clean, steady footage, sharp details, and a smooth flying experience whether you're filming landscapes, real estate views, family events, or travel vlogs. It's versatile enough for home use, outdoor adventures, and creative projects. Easy to fly, stable footage, beginner-friendly features, compact foldable build, reliable GPS and safety functions. Windy conditions can slightly affect stability, and you may need some practice to master advanced shots. Personally, I think it's a solid drone for anyone who wants dependable aerial video without complications. See the description for more details. Number 3. Hiturbo Drone Camera. The Hiturbo drone camera is a compact, high-performance drone designed for anyone who wants crisp aerial footage without the hassle. Whether you're a beginner learning your first flight or a content creator looking for smooth, stable shots, this drone delivers a reliable experience every time. It's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, real estate videos, home projects, and even simple weekend fun. The design is sleek, lightweight, and easy to carry, with a durable build that feels solid in hand. Its folding style makes it extremely portable, and the simple controls make flying surprisingly user-friendly. The battery quality supports longer sessions, so you can capture more footage without constant recharging. You get clear video performance thanks to its stabilized camera system, giving you smooth aerial scenes with great detail. Connectivity is quick and steady, letting you control the drone from your phone with minimal lag. It handles well in open spaces, parks, backyards, and even on light windy days. Smooth camera performance, easy controls, compact folding design, strong connectivity, and great for beginners. Not ideal in strong winds, and the learning curve may feel a bit steep for absolute first-timers. If you want a drone that's simple, dependable, and fun to fly, the Hiturbo drone camera is a solid pick. See the description for more details. Number 4. Potensic drone camera. The Potensic drone camera is a compact, user-friendly quadcopter designed for anyone who wants crisp aerial footage without complicated controls. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, travelers, and even creators who need smooth, stable video for home projects, outdoor adventures, or social media content. If you're looking for an easy way to capture the world from above, this drone makes it possible. The build feels lightweight yet durable, giving you confidence whether you're flying in your backyard or taking it on a trip. Its foldable design makes it versatile and travel-ready, while the intuitive controller and stable hover features help make flying simple, even for first-time users. Battery performance is reliable and offers enough flight time to capture scenery, real estate shots, family moments, or creative clips. Key features include a clear camera with steady performance, strong connectivity for responsive control, and helpful functions like altitude hold, return to home, and multiple speed modes. These add to the overall experience and help you focus more on creativity and less on the learning curve. The pros are easy handling, stable video capture, portable size, and beginner-friendly usability. Some inconveniences include sensitivity to strong wind and the need for occasional calibration, which is normal for drones in this category. Personally, I think the Potensic drone camera brings fun, reliability, and creative freedom for home use, outdoor exploration, travel, and content creation. See the description for more details. Number 5. TizzyToy drone camera. The TizzyToy drone camera is definitely worth checking out. This compact drone is designed for beginners and casual flyers who want great video and photo capabilities without any complicated setup. The TizzyToy drone features a sleek, lightweight build that fits comfortably in your hand and easily packs into a backpack. Its durable design holds up well even if you're flying outdoors, whether you're at the park, on a hike, or just exploring your backyard. The drone's battery life is solid, giving you enough flight time to capture plenty of footage before needing a recharge. One of the standout features is its built-in HD camera that records clear, smooth video and snaps vibrant photos. The controls are intuitive, so even if you're new to drones, you'll find flying this one simple and fun. It also connects seamlessly to your smartphone, letting you stream live video and control the drone with ease. Whether you want to capture family adventures, scenic travel shots, or just enjoy a new hobby, this drone fits the bill. Its versatility makes it great for home use, outdoor exploration, and casual photography. On the downside, the drone doesn't come with advanced obstacle avoidance or super long-range control, so it's best for close-to-home flying. But for the price and ease of use, the TizzyToy drone camera is a fantastic choice. If you want a reliable, beginner-friendly drone that still delivers great aerial footage, the TizzyToy drone camera is definitely worth a look. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.